Mastering Productivity, a comprehensive guide to building an effective system. An in-depth exploration of the intricate world of productivity systems. We're not just scratching the surface, we're diving deep into crafting a robust system that will revolutionize how you approach tasks, manage time, and alleviate stress. Join me on this journey as we dissect the components of an effective productivity system. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Understanding the essence. Why do you need a productivity system? Embarking on the journey of crafting a productivity system prompts a fundamental question. What motivates the investment of time and effort in such an endeavor? At its core, the pursuit of a productivity system is rooted in the quest for the efficient accomplishment of tasks that bear significance in our lives. It represents a deliberate strategy aimed at navigating the landscape of our daily responsibilities, not merely for the sake of effectiveness, but with a mindful intent to alleviate stress. In essence, the creation of a productivity system becomes a nuanced and strategic maneuver, a deliberate effort to spare our cognitive faculties from unnecessary burdens and, in turn, to streamline and optimize our endeavors. This thoughtful approach seeks to harmonize our actions with our priorities, fostering a sense of purpose and clarity amid the myriad demands of our daily routines. A conceptual framework, Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3 tasks. To understand the need for a productivity system, let's visualize it through a conceptual framework. Imagine a Venn diagram where our brain and the system intersect. Tasks can be broadly categorized into 3 types. Type 1 involves activities where our brains excel, such as creativity, relaxation, and connecting with others. Type 2 encompasses tasks that our productivity system can handle more efficiently, like managing tasks, calendars, and emails. Lastly, Type 3 tasks are ideally suited for systems, focusing on information that is not directly connected to our core priorities. The rise of GPT 3.5 Instruct model, a quantum leap in AI. Recent strides in AI, specifically OpenAI's GPT 3.5 Instruct model, have introduced a paradigm shift. Unlike its chat-based counterparts, this model is not fine-tuned for conversation, but excels in completing texts with instructional capabilities. The buzz in the community is not just about its prowess in generating texts, but also its unexpected ability to play chess at an impressive 1,800 ELO level. This has sparked discussions on the potential superiority of Instruct models over chat models. Community insights with OpenAI's developments. Beyond individual components, let's delve into the broader AI community. Updates from OpenAI's fine-tuning UI, potential knowledge updates in ChatGPT, and debates on the relative strengths of Instruct models versus chat models have been circulating. Sneak peeks into the fine-tuning of UI, discussions on knowledge cutoff updates, and the evolving landscape of AI models are hot topics in this dynamic field. Email management, streamlining the inbox for peak productivity. Effectively managing emails is a game changer for productivity. The first golden rule is to unsubscribe from unnecessary emails. We want our inboxes to be curated spaces, not dumping grounds for unsolicited messages. A smart filter, like searching for the term unsubscribe, can be a powerful tool to automate this process. Additionally, consolidating all emails to one platform reduces cognitive load, preventing the inbox from becoming a to-do list. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the subscribe squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. The fundamental role of to-do lists. David Allen's wisdom. Transitioning to the fundamental component of productivity, the to-do list. David Allen's wisdom is particularly enlightening here. Your brain is for having ideas, not for holding them. A comprehensive to-do list ensures that essential tasks are not forgotten. Whether jotted down on paper or meticulously organized in digital platforms, the to-do list serves as a crucial element for staying organized and focused. Digital calendars, lifelines in the chaos of life. Moving seamlessly from to-do lists, let's explore the transformative power of digital calendars. Whether it's Apple Calendar, Google Calendar, or third-party apps like Fantastical, the digital calendar becomes a lifeline for organizing daily activities, appointments, and events. The convenience of setting reminders and syncing across devices adds an extra layer of efficiency to our organizational toolkit. The Dumbledore level, capturing insights and making connections. Transitioning beyond the foundational layers of productivity, we enter what we aptly termed as a Dumbledore level. This level involves capturing insights from various sources and making connections. Applications like Rome Research or Obsidian serves as a second brain, aiding in creative endeavors, writing, and content creation. The objective is not just storage, but utilizing our productivity system for creativity and ideation. Someday maybe list, nurturing future aspirations. David Allen's wisdom extends to our personal aspirations. The someday maybe list becomes a repository for future endeavors, whether it's adventurous activities like rollerblading or more tranquil experiences like glamping. This list serves as a gentle reminder of dreams to pursue when the time is right. Avoiding burnout with 100% coverage. The importance of Instapaper. An often overlooked aspect of effective to-do lists is achieving 100% coverage. Incomplete lists can lead to the dreaded "I can't remember what I've forgotten" syndrome. Applications like Instapaper comes to our rescue, ensuring that no task slips through the cracks. Achieving full coverage becomes a powerful strategy for avoiding burnout. Media consumption and a Hermione level, taking notes for lifelong learning. For avid consumers of media, be it books, audiobooks, podcasts, or videos, the Hermione level involves taking notes for lifelong learning. This layer of productivity system transforms it into a thought partner, ensuring that insights from consumed content are not lost, but rather integrated into our knowledge base. Mastering the art of productivity. In conclusion, mastering the art of productivity involves constructing an intentional and efficient system. The amalgamation of advanced AI models, effective email management, meticulous to-do lists, digital calendars, and layers of insights capture forms a comprehensive toolkit for a stress-free and productive workflow. Thanks for accompanying me on this journey through the intricacies of productivity systems. If you found value in this guide, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into mastering productivity. Remember, the power to organize and optimize your life is in your hands. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.